Ever wondered why a lion's eyes face forward but a zebra's eyes sit on the sides of its head? It's not just a design choice, it's the key to survival in the wild. Today, we uncover the hidden secrets behind eye positions in Africa's most incredible animals. Stick around because this might just change how you see the world, literally. Let's start with predators. Lions, leopards and cheetahs all have eyes at the front of their heads. Why? Depth perception. With their eyes working together to judge distances accurately, they can lock onto prey and plan the perfect attack. It's what makes them such deadly hunters. Now let's flip the script. Prey animals like zebras, antelopes and giraffes have their eyes positioned on the sides of their heads. This gives them nearly 360-degree vision. Imagine having eyes at the back of your head. No sneaky predator would ever catch you off guard. But here's a wild fact. Cheetahs, despite being predators, have a wider field of view than other big cats. That's because their hunts rely on high-speed chases, and they need to track movement without losing focus. It's like having built-in motion detectors. And guess what? Some birds of prey, like eagles, have eyes so powerful they can spot movement from 3 miles away. That's like you seeing an ant crawling on the ground from the top of a skyscraper. Insane, right? So next time you're out in nature, pay attention to where an animal's eyes are. If they face forward, they're likely hunters. If they're on the sides, they're watching their backs. Nature doesn't play favorites. It just makes sure everyone has a fair shot at survival. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe for more wild wonders, and let us know in the comments. What's your favourite savannah animal? See you in the next adventure!